Look at my stuff here. So many stuff. This tiny cup with this big cup.
Yes. And you have some ingredients?
Yeah.
Okay, so are you ready now to cook brownies?
Yeah, we're ready, Mommy.
Yes, so it's time for baking.
Yeah, we're gonna bake so many.
Baking time.
Hi guys, I put the sugar.
Okay, and mix.
Mix it.
Now you mix it to the melted butter. Great. Okay.
Wow. Please.
Wow. Okay, you mix the egg. You mix the egg. You mix the egg. In a clockwise.
Clockwise.
Tuga pang lusog daw. Okay, mix.
The bread blood
That is
on
called vanilla extract.
Hi guys.
Ay! Nalimutan ko i-sift.
This
Sige lang, i-sift natin mamaya. Okay.
Can I mix it now?
Mix it.
I added the chocolate. I cannot hear.
Okay, mix together, please.
Hi
Oh.
guys.
Okay, Gab, we need to mix it until it looks like a thick, consistent. Wala siyang tubig kasi ganyan ang brownies.
Can I smell? It'll be
Bango,
brownies.
no? Bango?
Okay, Mommy, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough mixing, though.
No, we need to mix it together so that we can make sure all of the sugar, flour, and cocoa is well combined.
Cocoa? What?
Cocoa powder.
Look, cocoa. It's a coconut. It's a giant nut. She eats you, but you're really fat.
Do you think I'm fat?
Yeah, fat.
Okay, baby, we need to grease the pan. Okay, guys, I already put the paper on it. We don't have a baking sheet, so we just put a simple bond paper.
Okay.
But no worries, that's clean. And you, Gab, we need to brush the bond paper here with this butter.
Butter? You said some butter?
Butter.
Butter.
Okay. The reason why we need to grease so that the cake won't gonna sit in to this paper. So it's easy for us to take it off later when we already cooked the cake. Wow. That's a great job.
Can I get some more butter?
Yeah, sure.
I'm done greasing the pan.
Okay, now we're going to transfer the butter.
Yeah, butter. Butter.
Okay, Gab, excuse me. I need to put it down.
I cannot see my face.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, hi. I'm wobbly.
Priority the yung face, no?
Oh, really?
Cannot see my face, sabi niya.
Wow. It's a longer worm.
We're trying to sift it to make it smooth.
And softer form.
Wait a second, hon.
Mommy, where is not taking off?
It will take off.
Okay, I'm done, Mommy.
You're done na spreading. So you need to put peanuts na. You need peanuts.
And so watermelons and hot dog. It's like,
You need peanuts na. Spread the peanuts there, like that. Hey, wow, that's great. Very good, very good. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay guys, we're now putting additional marshmallows kasi favorite siya ni Gab. Decorating time! Ibang chocolate pa dito, oh. Sayang man. I-add na lang natin. Okay. Thank you. Job well done. Gabby brownies is done. Ready to eat.
Yum.
Yum. Dito mag-slice beef. Turuan ka ni mami. Ay! Dahan-dahan, kaya baka masira ang foil. Okay. Ako na lang, be. Huwag mo kaguba-guba mo na. Ba't ganun lang, oh. Wait lang po. Wait lang. Wait lang, bala. Excuse me.
Ano ba kung saan tawag na slice mo? Alam mo naman na
Makulit talaga. Makulit.
No, my cake is ready.
Okay.
Ay! Na! Launa na ba yan?
Sarap. Ito ay brownies with choco ganache.
Singapore Expo Convention Hall palaki. Wow.